We hiked the Alta Via one last summer, 120 kilometers across the Dolomites with our 2.5-year-old. 10 days, refuge to refuge. This is how it went. Day 1 began in Dobbiaco. We took bus 442 from the town center out to Lago di Braies. We arrived to green glass water, ringed by peaks, holding the whole ridgeline upside down. Picture perfect. The morning air was cold and sharp. We followed the shore to the far end where the trail left the water and turned up. The climb started on scree, pale, loose, shifting underfoot. The lake dropped away below, smaller with every switchback, until it was just a green coin in the trees. Higher up, the rock changed character. This was Dolomite country now, sheer limestone walls, bone white, going gold where the sun hit. The grade eased and the land opened into high pasture. Short alpine grass, wildflowers in the hollows, cowbells drifting from somewhere out of sight. One last push to the plateau, short steps, long views, and then the world opens like a map. Rifugio Biella sat just beyond, tucked under the cliffs. Quick cake and coffee. The hardest climbing already behind us. From here, it was a slow descent across the Sennes plateau. Wide, quiet. The trail winding through grass and grey stone toward the valley. Rifugio Sennes sat at the far edge of it. Boots off, beer on. Day 1 done. Day 2 took us from Rifugio Sennes to Rifugio Fanes. This route drops down to Rifugio Pederü at 1548 meters, then climbs back up to Fanes at 2060 meters. After breakfast packs on, we set off. The trail was greener than day 1, less rock, more meadow. We rolled downhill toward Rifugio Pederü. On the way, a tiny hamlet stopped us. Wood huts, peaceful, not a soul around. But the descent called. Tight switchbacks stitched into the cliffs, knees creaking, the valley widening with every turn. Pederü appeared at the bottom, like a pit stop in a canyon. We took a quick espresso break and caught our breath. Then the day turned. Everything we dropped, we had to earn back, pointing uphill now, gravel underfoot. The climb returned. We marched on. And near the top, the land opened up, meadows rolling out flat, peaks standing guard around the rim, huts tucked low in the grass. We walked the last kilometers in full sun, legs tired, glad to be there. Rifugio Fanes sat at the edge of it. Boots off, beer on, day 2 done. And that evening, a hailstorm rolled through. The perfect bit of alpine drama to close the day.